I'm delighted to welcome all of you to this breakout session on frontline work as part of our Google Workspace Summit. I'm going to briefly walk you through some ways we're enabling organizations to empower frontline workers with integrated, secure, and streamlined tools. And then we're going to jump into a conversation with Stan, one of our global enterprise customers, to see just how they are realizing their own frontline digital transformation ambitions. I will walk you through a typical example of how we can help digitally transform a frontline worker task through a custom line of business app created with Google Workspace and AppSheet. Because with AppSheet, custom applications can be created easily and quickly without the complexity of traditional coding. Actually, no code is needed at all. Instead, the business experts can build custom applications without writing code. And so, meet Carlos. Carlos now can become what we call a citizen developer. Because with AppSheet and Workspace, he can take his business expertise and create custom apps to digitally transform a process, all without writing any code. And with AppSheet, it is easy to create custom apps to digitally transform a process and integrate with Workspace components like Sheets and App Scripts as well. So here you can see the custom app that was built by Carlos. And the purpose of this app is to collect data during the inspection of their company's fleet. It's actually a critical part of the process, ensuring the fleet remains fully operational and goods leaving their port of origin end up at their final destination on time, and that the fleet has minimal downtime. This process used to be performed manually with a clipboard multiple times throughout the journey. And given the manual approach of capturing information that way, it took longer and was far more error prone. There are a few additional goals for this app outside of the collection of inspection data.
One of the big game changers for us was that we were able to suddenly, in a very efficient manner, get communication out to those frontline workers. We were not bound to PCs anymore. We could really deliver mails and everything on mobile phones in the stores. We also have a mobile for all policy, which means that every worker in Carrefour has the ability to get a mobile phone. You can give them the ability to indeed use very simple to use apps that could simplify their daily work. And I was very excited when you started talking about the Zero Trust initiative of Google, and last year we also embarked on that. So we started rolling out Beyond Corp, and the goal is to indeed bring the security, the typical protected fortress principle of security, take that away and bring it to the front line, to the users. Provide them with mobile apps that are protected. It's all very secure, but it's so much simpler to log on.